everyone, I'm Charahnee and welcome to my first YouTube video on unboxing and review on a website. The website that I will be doing a review and unboxing on is called Yesstyle. If y'all are interested in the link for the website, I'll have it below my description box. So a little bit about the website itself. It's an Asian trend website. So the products ranges from clothing to home products. For me, I've ordered a few times in the past with Yesstyle. I'll tell you, I really like the products myself personally, in my opinion, but a lot of it is going to be based on reading the reviews and the products to whether you want to buy that certain product or not. I tend to forget sometimes to read a certain product because I'm like, oh my god, like the model who's wearing it is like, wears it so nice and it looks so legit that like, sometimes it's kind of deceiving to you. And so then sometimes for me, I kind of regret buying that product, but then because it's a hassle for me personally just to send it back to them, I just don't send it back to them at all, which I probably should, but unfortunately, since I've already had it for a while, I don't really want to return it now anyways. So then, there's always a deal of $35, which is the standard shipping. If you order something that's over $35, you automatically qualify for free shipping. Product processing takes about almost 2 to 3 weeks, and then shipping itself internationally is almost 5 to 14 days depending on where you live. But there is also this deal where if you order over $99, you qualify for express shipping, which it takes almost 2 weeks at least for them to process the products, and then shipment takes about 5 to 7 days, also depending on where you live, for it to arrive to you. But since I live in the US and I've also ordered it from the past, I always order the $99 and over just so I could qualify for free shipping. I get more of a bundle and it arrives to me faster. So then today, obviously, I ordered products over $99, so then it arrived to me within a month. And so today I'll be doing a review on it. And so this is the package that I got from them. But I also ordered another package from Yesstyle, which was also, technically it was a separate package, but it all arrived on the same day. So this is the other one that I ordered, through FedEx as well. I ordered over $99, but the products I ordered this time was more expensive and less products. So when you open the package, they pretty much have everything all in there. It comes with a piece of paper of the information of the products that you order. And so, first thing on the list, it is called the Color Black Open Front Long Cardigan. Cardigan in the picture actually looked nice. The reviews were actually said it was a pretty nice cardigan too. It's actually pretty warm. On the girl, it looked really long on her, but I guess it's just based on height. But as you can see, it's not bad actually. It's knitted, so it looks really cool. I mean, it may look kind of weird right now, but I think after you wear it a few times, you'll get used to it. Next is a hat that I bought. It's pretty much an embroidered cap. It came in 2 different colors, so I just chose to give you the white one. It has like these 2 rings here, and it has like the brand name right there. So if I was to wear it, something like this. And then next on the list is a couple's canvas slip-ons. So these are pretty much shoes that I ordered. What it looks like. Comes in 2, so there's this one. I like it personally. It looks like it's really comfortable. And looks like it was nicely made as well. Brand right there, Jinta. I also happened to bought some round glasses. Even a really nice package for you, I guess. I ordered the black color one. If you wear it, actually for my eyesight, it's not bad. They actually made it look like I can actually read in this kind of thing. And then I also bought a fox suit choker. So this is a choker. It's pretty much what it looks like. I also bought washed jeans. For me, I was kind of skeptical on ordering this jean, but I decided to because it looked really nice, and a lot of people have some really good positive reviews on it. So pretty much it's supposed to be like the baggy type of jeans. So then obviously I ordered a size bigger than what I was supposed to I normally wear, but that's because I personally like to wear like baggy jeans sometimes. It's actually a nice material. It doesn't look like it was cheaply made or anything. So yeah, size conversions can be a little annoying, but since I read like the reviews and stuff, I kind of just want to estimate the pant size and everything. So this is not a bad size. Okay, and then the next set of clothes I'll show to you is mock 2-piece long sleeve t-shirt. Comes in one size, so pretty much it's just like a black t-shirt. It came with a white one too, but I chose the black one, and then so pretty much it's all just connected. It's not like it's two things, but if you stick your hand in there, like it's pretty much, it looks like you're wearing two different sets of clothes. There's a fine print that says right on there. So the next one I'll be showing to you is a striped turtleneck t-shirt. It comes in one size as well. There's the red and blue color one. It's one size, turtleneck. Doesn't really have a tag in there, so you're gonna have to guess which size you wear, which side. So obviously it'll be look like this, and then like the arm length, like it gets longer and bigger as you wear it. It's kind of like the fashion trend that it is right now in like most Asian countries, I guess. The last one is Maro long line coat. It's an X large because it's the only, but then the conversion is really different. This is one of the shirt that I bought. It's really thin. It's not like a coat material for winter, but I guess for fall it is. If you put it in the light, you can almost see through it. So technically it's nice just to wear for like the fall season. Not winter material, but fall season is good. I like it. It's silky. It's not too shabby. So the second package that I just opened has less items, but because it costs more, so I just didn't want to go over my budget. So first on the list is I ordered a knit scarf, which was a red one. It looks like this. It's actually pretty big, nice for winter. It's really nice enough for you to actually like cover yourself in the winter, especially because from where I am it's really cold during the winter times. Next is a denim jacket. I ordered a medium because personally for me, I'm a small, but then I like to order a size up because I like to wear more of a baggy clothes, because it's a trend that I'm following in Asia where they wear like really baggy clothes or oversized clothes. So I'm kind of like following that trend at the moment. It's a lighter denim color, but I like it. And the next one is a printed bomber jacket. This is what it looks like. Kind of like a jacket. The back, it has like this desire, despair. Not really warm. It's kind of made for like almost, I want to say like spring and fall. But you technically can wear this anytime you want to, even in the winter time, I guess. But just make sure to wear something over it. Next one, I bought a hooded sweatshirt. It's a medium because it was the only one that was available. It's nice. Technically, I like oversized clothes like I said earlier, so then like it would be pretty baggy for me, and like the sleeve would be long with me, but it's warm, but the inside it's like kind of like thin-ish. But then I mean, if you wear like a tank top or something underneath it, like, or like another shirt under or something, like it'd be perfect for you. The last thing that I ordered was a mock 2-piece cutout shoulder sleeve dress. It's one size. It's supposed to be a dress, but because like the length is kind of short, it's not a dress for me. It's kind of like an oversized shirt for me, I guess. Really like long. So then just wear it like kind of like almost like a long sleeve shirt with like leggings and like a tennis shoe or something. But yeah, that's it with my unboxing and review on the website called Yesstyle. So I hope y'all enjoyed my first unboxing and review video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!